Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where all of the animals like troughs are in Heartopia and what their favorite foods are. So the first one, I'm in the forest. Um, it's like where the deers are at. So this is where the deer trough is. Here, I'll zoom in the map on the map, and it's near Forest Lake. As you can see, it's here. And their favorite foods are lettuce, house salad, and branches. So let's give them branches for now. Press feed. The alpacas are located here near the Tranquil River, and its favorite foods are blueberry, pineapple, and wheat. So let's give it some of that. I'll do wheat. I'll do two wheats and I guess two blueberries. There we go. This is where the fox's trough is located. I'll show it to you guys in the map. It is near Meadow Lake, as you can see. Its favorite foods are European perch and largemouth bass. I don't have those, so I'm just going to give it fishes here. The bunny's trough is located here on this map. I'm right on it. It's near the art street, I guess. Basically, its favorite foods are strawberries, carrots, and weeds. I only have this for now, so I'm just going to give it to them. Okay, there we go. Oof, I'm a little bit laggy, so sorry about that. Next, we have the ferrets. It's located here near the Rosie River. This is where it's at. And their favorite foods are sea bass, goby, and eggs. So I'm just going to give eggs. Next is the panda's trough. It is located here near the jump puzzle area. So it is over here. I'll kind of show it, show around so you guys can see. Its favorite foods are bamboo, apples, and corn. So I'm just going to submit apples and bamboos here. And this is where the otters troughs is. Super cute. Look how cute they are. Their favorite foods are the common shrimp and the oriental shrimp. So I'm just going to select those. Okay, it's not enough, so I'll just add another fish or something. And I'm just going to press feed. They're so cute. Can I play with them? Last but not least, you will find the capybara's trough here near the in the onsen area. And its favorite foods are strawberries, raspberries, and grapes. So let's feed that to them. And yeah, that is pretty much where every animal is in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!